Racing season is over, winter is coming, and I don't know what to do. So I did another video. This time not about racing, but on how to repair the Alpinestars Tech Air Airbag Cable or Cord. Ich mache es auch mit deutschen Untertiteln, vielleicht hilft es ja dem einen oder anderen. Yeah, this cable is a very bad construction. I know from other racers that it broke for them. It already broke 2 times for me. The cable disconnects from the LEDs. And then I bought a new cable for 40 euros, and after 3 days racing it broke again, and I don't want to spend another 40 euros for this stupid cable. So here I show you how to repair it. It's not super easy because all 4 cables are black, so you don't know right away which cable belongs to which soldering point. So let's see how to repair it. You can see those lines which show that this soldering point goes to the first LED on the left, then the one above to the middle LED, and the top soldering point to the right LED. This means the soldering point on the bottom is minus, where the electricity goes back. The cable at the Airbag West, where you connect the charger, also has 4 poles, 3 for LEDs, and the one at the side is minus. Now you can use the voltmeter to check which of the 4 black cables is the minus one. It will beep if you set your voltmeter to this sound symbol. In German it's Durchgang prüfen.
Ich würde schon behaupten, dass generell die Gruppe, beziehungsweise vor allem dieser engere Kreis, wir waren
Now you can solder this minus cable to the minus soldering point. Then we need to find out which of the other cables goes to which LED. When charging the vest, the LED lights blink in this sequence, so we can use this knowledge to hold several cables at the same time to the other soldering points to find out which sequence is correct. Because if you now put it in the wrong place, the blinking sequence will be wrong. So this way I found out which cable is which LED, and then I marked them with tape, so in case it breaks again I don't have to try everything again. I know right away which cable is which. So yeah, after soldering it to the board, I added some glue, so hopefully next time it won't break again. So ready to race.